going on, guys? So I got a little something here just installed. We can make a nice little video of it. It's the Corsa Catback exhaust for the 6.2 Yukon AT4. Let's get that cold start. Black tips. I think I need to adjust this one a little bit more out. Put it a little more out. This one looks pretty good. Let's get a little rev. Nice. There you go. Corsa Catback exhaust. Install took around 4 hours, give or take. Mainly due to the fact that the pipes, they mostly slip into place into one another, and I would have liked to have seen them opened up just a little bit more. Just for the fact of, you're needing to assemble this underneath the vehicle, and I installed this in my driveway. It would have been a little bit faster if the pipes would have been able to slip in a little bit easier. But all in all, straightforward install. Install guide was proper. Might be, they're calling it out on the website as a 1 difficulty, which I would agree with that. And I've done quite a bit of wrenching in my day, so. But all in all, very happy with it. Well worth the money. So anyhow, hit that like, subscribe button. Got a couple other things in mind here pretty soon. Get done on the AT4, and I'll make some videos of that too. Appreciate it. Have a good day, guys. Cheers.